The Oppo Find N2 Flip is the latest addition to Oppo's flagship lineup. Announced on December 15, 2022, and released on December 23, 2022, this device is a marvel of technology and design. Oppo Find N2 Flip's display is a foldable LTPO AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and 1200 nits (HBM) of brightness, and 1600 nits (peak) of brightness. When folded, the Oppo Find N2 Flip has a cover display that is an AMOLED screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It has a resolution of 382 by 720 pixels and a 3.26 inches size. The Oppo Find N2 Flip features a dual camera setup on the rear. The primary camera is a 50MP shooter with f/1.8 aperture, and the secondary camera is an 8MP ultrawide camera with f/2.2 aperture. The Oppo Find N2 Flip comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, dual gyro, dual proximity, compass, and color spectrum sensors. The Oppo Find N2 Flip is available in Astral Black, Moonlit Purple, and Gold colors. The Oppo Find N2 Flip features a non-removable 4300 mAh battery that supports 44W wired charging and reverse wired charging. What are your thoughts on the Oppo Find N2 Flip? Share your comments below.